Hi guys, welcome back. We are here to talk about Sunday's episode of Bigg Boss 10. Loads of things happened. It was literally a rocking episode because the Rock On team continued to stay inside the house, had some real fun, not just with the housemates but even with Salman Khan. I have with me Priyanka, who will tell us more about what they did inside the house.
So, taking on the fun from the Saturday episode, the Rock On team invited Om Swami on stage and made him do the head banging with them, and it was a lot of fun to see him banging his hair. And from there, Shraddha took Nitibha on stage and asked her to sing. And to the surprise of every housemate, she sang really well.
She was apparently the surprise package of the house. She said that we have a hidden talent in the house. So yeah, and we've seen Nitibha singing during the premiere episode as well when she was sent inside the house. Salman Khan made her sing. So yes, this was I think the first time that even the housemates got to know her hidden talent, right?
Yeah, and then Farhan and Shraddha took selfies with the housemates, and everybody had a lot of fun. And from there, they bid goodbye to the housemates and continued their laughter and fun with Salman on stage.
Yeah, and I think Salman even had a ball with the team because we could see it on his face. They played games again. They did that lip sync round with all those old numbers like head banging on Sarkai Leo Khatiya. The funny thing was that how Farhan Akhtar was actually trying to mimic as Shakti Kapoor, Shraddha Kapoor's father, and Shraddha was in splits. So yes, it was really funny and it was amazing. Even Arjun Kapoor and Purab Kohli joined them on stage. But then after they said goodbye to the Bigg Boss show, it was again back to enough tension around the eviction. And then, but then I think Salman again tried to ease it out with another game with the housemates. It was a true and false game.
Plays,
it was around that immunity medallion, which probably will have its advantages. We'll see it in this week. And it was a very muddy round, and
first Manveer and Rohan were pitted against each other, and whatever question Salman asked, Manveer came out as the one who was saying the most lies according to housemates, and hence he was thrown into the mud pool. But then after that, Karan and Manu Punjabi went, and they both came out true. Again, according to the opinion of housemates.
But what pinched Manu was when Manveer said that yes, Manu has a tendency of giving more importance to Mona over his friendship with Manveer, which Manu really got offended. Oh, not offended, but yes, he did said that no, it's not like that. But then again, when Manu was asked that Bigg Boss asked him that is your friendship with Mona just a strategy to survive in the house? He said no, but the housemates said no, it is not true because it is a strategy. So yes, I mean that was something that was
that came out in open in front of Salman also. But and Mona Lisa also supported Manu. Everybody else felt that this sudden friendship is just for the game.
And then we saw in the name of evictions, Om Swami had an exit from the house, but he was not evicted. He was shifted to a secret room. Now he'll be watching the activities in the house in the coming days, and as we've seen in the earlier seasons that the secret room really adds up to fuels up the fight, because when this contestant will re-enter the house this time, Om Swami, it will surely call for some really good, interesting fights in the house, because it was very amusing to see how when Swami left the house,
his friends, so-called friends, Manu, Manveer and Naveen were crying,
howling, not crying. That oh my God, they're going to miss him so much. But
and just when he was evicted in front of them, then after that they were seen criticizing his activities in the house.
It was pretty confusing to see what exactly they want, but then probably that's what the show is about.
And it'll be interesting to see when Swami will get to know that how they're criticizing him on his back.
And, but then I'm sure Swami will have a nice show sitting on the bed, and he'll be watching Bani train Lokesh, all the fitness things. And also it's Monday today, the nomination episode, so let's see. And in a follow-up of whatever happened, we're expecting it to be a really hard-hitting and really interesting nomination this week. Stay tuned, we'll be back with another review tomorrow.
Thank you.